I'm glad to see that the Slovene government put Western Balkan as one of the priorities. I support the ambitious agenda, which would be the best possible outcome. And I hope with the help of 4 European partners we'll manage to open and start accession talks with North Macedonia and Albania, and also deliver what we promised 3 years ago, visa liberalization for Kosovo. Somehow to reconnect business, economies, people-to-people contacts, bring trust back, not only inside the region, but also in the institutions and in the European Union. I wish to see that the friends from the Western Balkans will be part of the discussion on the future of Europe. We are trying to achieve that in Brussels, in the European Parliament. This is a debate that is now ongoing with our civil society, with citizens, and it's a shame to see that the Western Balkan is not included. It's an opportunity that we really show we are all part of this continent. We should discuss together about our future.
There are some concerns about Slovenian presidency. On one hand, there is a declarative will for European values and enlargement, but on the other hand, there are a lot of concerns because of the illiberal tendencies of the government in Ljubljana.
I share those concerns because we receive nowadays a lot of criticism from Brussels, from foreign diplomats, from foreign media as regards the rule of law in Slovenia, as regards the freedom of media. It is a black cloud on the first day of Slovenian presidency. So the government will have to work very hard to repair the catastrophic year, if I say so, in relation to respect of European values. So I'm really critical to what our government is doing back in Slovenia, and being the presidency country, you have to respect the European values. So this is where I see worries, and I hope that we'll manage to repair this very catastrophic and bad year. Not appointing European prosecutors. We got criticism of political interference in the freedom of media and so on. And society is deeply polarized and also disappointed.